Hello, Luke Wright. Hello. Hello, Luke Wright. Hello.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, Luke Wright is back, and what you're going to learn here today is how do you clean the chain on a motorcycle, or how does Luke Wright clean a chain on a motorcycle, really? You're going to learn that here today. Let's hit it.
It's showtime.
Guess what, everybody at Luke Wright? You're going to learn how to clean a chain on Ducat. Okay. I know it's very exciting, isn't it? The S2000 Super Naked, the chain is grimy. It's really, really grimy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to start on the sides first. You're just going to keep scrubbing and scrubbing. There's a lot of scrubbing, isn't there? It's very exciting, isn't it? Seeing all the scrubbing. It's like, oh my god, it's so scrubby. Yeah. When you're cleaning a chain, oh my god, it's literally not even black, it's muddy colour coming off. Muddy colour. That's terrible. Got to scrub. Whoa! Just keep on scrubbing. And then once you're happy, you're going to move to the back of the chain. And once you've gotten this far, you're going to move on and start attacking the back of the chain. And it is just absolute blackness. Absolute blackness coming off this chain. You're going to start attacking between the bushes. When Luke Wright says between the bushes, he means take this and just start attacking between the plates. Where you can just about see the bushings and just scrub. You're going to be very tired after this because we do use up a lot of energy. This does take a lot of energy. Notice that Luke Wright is wearing gloves. Gloves are a good idea, protect your skin. But also wearing a standard t-shirt. Actually quite a nice quality t-shirt because it's actually Spanish of some kind. But, you know, not wearing anything nice, because when you're cleaning a chain, all of the grubbiness gets splashed around, gets spattered on you. And if you do that, and you have all your nice clothes are going to get paraffin all over you, black dots. Like Luke Wright is getting right now, he's getting black dots all over himself. So, yeah, it's not. Got to keep attacking the chain. This S2000 has spent her life, with oh, she's had quite a life. still absolutely black, the chain. Still absolutely black. Literally just gonna have to keep scrubbing it. We tried to say make yourself a cup of coffee, but if we did that, probably just get the splatter of paraffin coffee, so don't do that. Do that another day. Oh my god, it's still coming up black. Oh my god. It's still coming up black. And it's only now starting to actually see a bit of chain. This is just absolutely caked. I wonder what sort of life this S2R1000 SuperNaked had. That, you know, explains why the chain is like this. It's just disgusting. It's really odd, isn't it? Really odd. Because it's absolutely filthy. You know, even if you can, just try to get inside the carrier, even just to try and scrub that piece, because even this is, even the carrier's black. Don't you think that's a bit odd? This chain has not been cleaned ever. You know, for absolute years. The SuperNaked did a lot of miles. It looks like we've got a standard chain. This does not look like it's a, well, it's certainly not gold. Not seeing any markings that this is a DID chain. Like any markings at all, it doesn't seem to be DID. Oh, let's see if we can actually see a sprocket. Seeing them. It's just disgusting back here. There's still no markings that this is a DID chain. Whoever previously owned this S2R1000 SuperNaked did not treat the SuperNaked to a gorgeous chain as sprockets. They either bought a mediocre chain or they just cheaped out. No, there's no way this could be the original factory Ducati chain, because one, it would have rusted out by now, and two, it would be so stretched, it would be unusable. We tried to own that train that lasts any more than 15,000 miles. You know, even with the best of chains, they just start to deteriorate at that point. And I think being a super naked with all this torque and all this power, it does beat the chain a lot. It beats it down. That's why chains on super bikes and super nakeds will never last as long as normal naked bike, because it's even the rear sprocket doesn't look like it's actually anything very nice at all. It's decaying. It's seen some miles. Interesting. Okay, this really is a DID chain. Interesting. Gotta keep scrubbing. This chain is going to need another scrubbing another day, but at least you can actually start seeing that there's chain. So just to show you, that's way better compared to what it used to be. What you're going to do now is you're going to you're going to douse the chain in water to get rid of all the residue and all the crap, and then leave the chain to dry while you're cleaning any other part of the super naked. Make sure you remove things like towels from the equation that you are sitting on as you've been cleaning the chain, because you don't want to get your towel all wet. What you're going to do is just like this, just to help get rid of all the residue and chain. What paraffin you can spray in. Just like that. Leave the chain to dry, then oil the chain. Well, thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rides. Chain cleaning is messy. Wear a t-shirt. If you can, don't don't wear your nice jeans, wear some cheap pair or something like that, because as you're cleaning the chain, the amount of spatter that you can get quite a bit of spatter from the kerosene that you use as a cleaner to clean the chain. Kerosene is actually really good. It's pretty, and kerosene is actually fairly cheap compared to any other fluid you could use to clean the chain. So kerosene's pretty good, really. And then you just got to scrub. No one's going to scrub for you. You got to scrub yourself, and you got to spend ages just scrubbing the chain, and then attacking it from a different angle, and then attacking it again, rinsing down the chain, maybe having another go at it if you feel that it's still all a bit dirty and look better. So yeah, hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. Has water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Coffee is missing, and I'll drink it. Yes, it's really good coffee. Pretend I drink it. Oh god.